So hello friends, welcome again to a new HTML video with a new HTML topic. So today's topic is CSS text alignment. So what is CSS text alignment? So to know what is CSS text alignment, let's run the up program and let's see the output what it comes. So this is our first program and I'm gonna copy this program and paste it, and then I'll make you all understand. Okay, so I paste this program. Okay, and I'll save it my HTML file. Here is my HTML file. This is the sixth program of HTML till now. So I have saved the program. Now let's open the file. Open in file, right? So here is the file. Come on, not this 6.html. Now as you can see, this is the output of an text alignment. So what I have used actually in the program. So let's see the program. So under style tag, as we are doing CSS programs, so you have to remember that whenever we do CSS program in under heading tag, we have to use style tag, because style tag helps us to format the web page, and CSS means that only formatting a web page. So under style tag we have written heading 1, that is text alignment in center, means this heading should be in center. Okay, now heading 2, text alignment should be in left, and this heading is in left, remember. And heading 3, text alignment should be in right side. So where is the heading 3 one? So I think the heading 3 is over here, right? No, heading 3 is over here, right? So these are the 3 headings done, and then we have closed style tag, right? Then we have started closed the head tag, then we have started body tag, and in body tag we have written the same thing in h1 what should be written, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and we have written a small para after all of this. A small para is written, then we have closed body tag, then we have closed HTML tag. So this was a so simple program, right? So simple, easy program, and this was all about text alignment. So this was our first program on text alignment. Now let's go for more programs for more practice in text alignment. So this is our second program on text alignment. Let's copy this program. Okay, I've copied this program. Now cut it, paste it, save it in name of 7.html. So I've saved this file. Saved. Now let's see what happens. This is our file. Let's open the file. Now file is open. Now what is the difference in the first program and the second program? So this is our second program, right? So under style tag we have written heading text decoration overline. Text decoration is our tag is used, and overline means above the line or above the writing, right? Now in heading 2, text decoration means decorating or editing the text. Okay, you can say editing also in place of decorating. Line through means line through the text, and the third decoration or the third heading decoration is underline the text. Finish. Simple editor a new program. And under the body tag, as we have to write this 3 lines, or you can write anything in this place. Okay, so this was the third program, this was the second program, and it was so easy, editing text, that is text alignment. So this was our second program on text alignment. Now let's go for the third program on text alignment. So we have come to the third program. Let's copy this program and see and have an outlook. So I've copied the program. Copy, where is copy? Notepad. So let's open. So let's paste this file. Now let's save this file on my old HTML file by a.html. So I'll save this file. Now let's open the file and let's see. So where is our file? Over here. So as you can see the difference between the first program, second program, and the third program. Now this is different what I have used. So under style tag we have written, P uppercase, text transformation uppercase. Acha. P lowercase text transform lowercase. Acha means uppercase means capital writings, lowercase means small writings, and P capitalize means transform capitalize means the first words are only in capital, right? As you can see the difference between these three. Then we have closed style tag, then we have closed head tag, then we have open body tag, and in body tag we have used class attribute. As you can see, P class attribute, and in quotation we write uppercase, lowercase, and capitalize, and we have written the para what should be written to show the program. So this was again a simple program, easy program, an important program, right, viewers? So any problem in understanding, just comment me in the comment box and let me know what is your problem is. Okay, so this was our third program. Now we are gonna do the last program for today. So where is the last program for today? So here is the last program for today. Let's copy this and paste it on our file. So I have copied the program. Where is notepad? Here is notepad. Cut, paste, save in our file by name of 9.html. I have saved the file by 9.html. It is saved. Now let's open the file 9.html. So as you can see the file, right? As you can see the difference between second, third, first program, fourth program. So the fourth program says that in style tag we have used line height 0.7, then p dot big line height 1.8. Now what's the difference, right, gives? Now let me check this difference in style. What is the difference between these two line height, one small line height, one 0 point line height? Now this was taken the style tag, styling the element, styling the program. Now the body tag we have written the para, we have closed the para, we have used the class attribute again, and we have written class equal to small in quotation and big in quotation, given br tags to space this. So I think if you do this program, the program will show like this, means giving gap in this and giving no gap or giving many gap like this. Means the para with a bigger line height means this height, okay, the height between one para or two para, smaller line height, and this shows this is the paragraph with standard line height, this is the standard line height. So what is the difference? The difference is that p small line height means no line height, and big line height means a big para line height, right? So it is 1.8 line height. So if I give 9 in place of 1.9, now 1.9, now let's see the difference. So see, it increased a bit, as you see it increased a bit. So this is the difference, how to give space or more space, or how to give no space at all. This is the difference. Okay, if in place of 0.7 if I give 0.5 and if I save it, now what is the outlook? So as you can see, the line is getting more shorter and smaller. So this is all the program about. I hope you all guys have understood this program. If you not understand, then comment me in the comment box. For today only this much. So today we have learned 4 programs, right? Remember this program. If not remember, give a review on this video and check it, right? And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.